Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error syntax error future feature annotations is not defined. So I'm getting this error when I try to run my Python code after connecting with MySQL. So this is the code I'm having. So the reason why we are getting this error is because I am using Python version 3.6, and here you can see if you are using Python version 3.6, the way we are importing doesn't work. So we must have Python version greater than 3.7. So basically to solve this error we need to download the latest version or any version of Python that is above 3.7. So let me just do that. So here you can see I'll just go to my command prompt, and to check the Python version it's going to be Python space hyphen hyphen version. So as you can see I'm having 3.6, which is a low version. So to get the latest version or the version above 3.7, just Google Python download. You'll be getting the official website, which is python.org. Click that and you can download the latest version, or if you just scroll down here you will be having many versions which is greater than 3.7. So you can download anything of your choice. I will go with the latest version. So I'll just click on download Python. Once the download is complete, just double click and click add Python exe to path. This is important, and just click on install now. Yeah, the setup is successful. Close this and also close the command prompt. Now you need to go to search and type environment. You'll be getting the edit the system environment variables option. Just click on open, and here click on environment variables. Under user variables or system variables, click on this path, click on edit. So here you can see we must have this Python 3.12 at the top, okay, and this the previous version should be below this. So make sure that you're having both these paths above the older version. So click on OK everywhere. Now if I go to search and open my command prompt and type Python hyphen hyphen version, we'll be getting Python 3.12. So if you're using PyCharm, you can just configure there, okay, just change the interpreter version to 3.12. So once you're done that, we need to again install this particular package, which is the MySQL connector Python. Just copy this and go to your command prompt or your PyCharm terminal and just run this. And I would say the better thing that you can do is maybe using a virtual environment, so that you don't want to like change the Python version globally like what I'm doing. So this is now done, and let me just close everything, close the code, close this also. And now if I go to my search and type idle, because I am using idle as my code editor, and I'll be having this Python 3.12. So I'll just click on this and I will go to file, I will go to recent files, and this is my demo.py. This is a file that I'm having my MySQL connection. And if I go and run this code now, run module, here you can see this time I'm not getting any errors and I'm getting the outputs. These are basically the table data that is present in MySQL. So that's the video, guys. This is how you solve this issue. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.